Need a delicious, creamy mashed potato recipe? Well, look no further. Let me show you how I made these creamy, delicious, super satisfying mashed potatoes. This is honestly
Cheers.
one of the best mashed potatoes that I have made, and I'm going to share it with you. I'm going to use 6 potatoes. These are russet. Going to peel off the skin. Gonna slice it up into smaller pieces, adding it to my bowl. And once I'm done with all my potatoes, I'm going to rinse out all the dirt. Once that's done, I'm going to add that back to my pot with very cold water and 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to bring that to a boil until it's fork tender. Once that fork tender, I'm going to take out the water, add it back to my pot with 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm going to mash the heck out of these potatoes. If you don't want to use a masher, you can certainly use a mixer or even an immersion blender. But to me, I like this workout and they seem to come out much better this way. Once I have mashed them for quite a while, I'm going to add some very hot, heavy cream and a big dollop of sour cream. And yes, I'm going to mash these again until they come out very, very creamy. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add some garlic salt and some pepper. I'm going to just mix that in well. And these are actually done. You see how easy these were to make? Super easy, super creamy. My whole family loved these mashed potatoes. So if you are looking for a side dish for your pork chops, for your chicken, just a side dish in general, these creamy mashed potatoes are going to be it. And here I'm just going to top it off with a little bit more black pepper and some basil and a little bit more of butter right in the middle. Enjoy.